Have you guys ever wanted to know how long a blizzard can
actually be flipped
upside down? Well, in this video, we're going to find out. And I'm going to give you guys some Minecraft parkour gameplay because our attention spans are not going to be enough to sit here and watch this. So we're going to sit here and watch that while we watch the timer go up. 1 minute. Wow, that's actually pretty good. It's a lot better than I was expecting. At this point, I'm shaking it. I think it's going to go all day. I'm like, I don't know, my hands are getting tired. And then out of nowhere, when I least expected, boop, up there.
Oh, there it goes. And 144.58. That's pretty good.